Welcome to our Metatrader 5 video guide series, where today we'll get you set up with an MT5 account at tastyfx in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Create your account. To open an MT5 account with tastyfx, you'll first have to open a standard forex account. This application should take 5 minutes. Once you're approved, log into your tastyfx account and you'll be taken to your account's dashboard. Click Add an Account and select Metatrader 5 Forex for your new account type. Read the supplemental materials and agree to the declaration that pop up on screen. Perfect. Now, as soon as your account is activated, you'll receive new MT5 login credentials sent to your email. In the meantime, let's get the platform installed. Step 2. Download MT5. While MT5 does offer a web terminal, some of the most desired features can only be accessed from the desktop platform. You'll find a quick download link on your account's dashboard for the device you're using, or navigate to the Download MT5 page on the tastyfx website to find all device download links, as well as 3 free indicator and expert advisor packages only available with tastyfx. Step 3. Install the platform. Double-click the downloaded file in your File Explorer to open the installation window. Review the license agreement and click Next. Once installation is complete, double-click the tastyfx MT5 icon on your desktop to launch the platform. Step 4. Log in. If you're not prompted to log in automatically, select Log in to Trade Account from the File dropdown. Now enter your login number and password from the emails sent to you by tastyfx. Remember, the login number and password are emailed separately, and the password is case sensitive. For server, ensure tastyfx Live is selected. Great, you're in. Let me show you the 3 main panels you'll be working with. In the top left, you have Market Watch. This shows live prices for all the forex pairs you can trade with us. This larger panel in the center is your chart window. This is where the magic happens. With MT5, you get access to 21 timeframes and the ability to view multiple charts simultaneously, giving you much deeper market analysis. And at the bottom is your terminal window. This displays your open, pending, and closed trades. You can also set up alerts, check your trading journal, and explore the expert advisor marketplace. You're all set. Start exploring MT5's 21 timeframes, 38 technical indicators, and advanced charting tools. Happy trading, and we'll see you on the next video.